Welcome to part 10. In part 10 I will explain how to finish off the Newel post cladding which we started in part 3. So let's begin. In part 9 we have finished cladding the threads, so we're still waiting for the glue for the adhesive to come out and fully dry so we can remove it. In the meantime we will finish the Newel post cladding. So Newel post cladding we started in part 3 in this video. We've started cladding Newel post as it was easier to do it after the steps cladding, so I had to attach that piece to start with, so we didn't have to scribe it now, so it's all nice flat and flush to the Newel post. Where we've got steps cladding, now we can finish it off where the pieces will just sit on top surface of the threads. So margin is going to mark the angle beading. Angle beading is made of solid oak. Anything what you've got to do, just mark accordingly to your staircase layout. Okay, so we've got some cuts made and let's see how it fits. Okay, so angle beading is fastened to the side, the corner of the Newel post, just to show you how it looks from the top. So what we have, we've got old Newel post, we've added 4 layers of the oak veneer MDF, where 2 layers are exactly the same size of the Newel post and 2 pieces are slightly wider just to overclad the other 2 which were already attached. Then we've got 4 corner pieces to go. We will show you in a minute how to fix them. There's 2 ways of fitting it. And just to finish it off, we will add a Newel post cladding cap which will go on top just to finish it off. I'll try to show you that from a distance. So now we'll show you how to attach these corner pieces to the Newel post cladding. Okay, so Martin is going to apply some adhesive into the inside part of that corner beading, and then afterwards he's got these pressure gun which very tiny little pins, so that's his preferred method of fitting, as is a joiner, as is a fitter. But if you don't have one of these, you can use some of the clamps, just the standard jaw clamps, and you can clamp it, or you can use the other part, or the other way you can fix these angle beadings is using these straps, which obviously they're self-explanatory. You just wrap it around and you put some tension on. You can also use just a standard, you can use standard clamps. Okay, so the last part is just to put the Newel post cap. Okay. Okay, so we'll just clean the adhesive which already dried. We'll do it with the chisel. As you can see, it's a lot easier when it's dry rather than trying it when it's still fresh. Okay, so we've got our Newel post cladding already fitted. This is how it looks. Okay, the next part we will move into the stringer cap. So again, in one of the episodes we filmed, we've shown how to clad stringers. Now we'll just finish it off with the stringer cap. Thanks for watching part 10. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please subscribe our channel. All the links to the components we used in this video are in the comments area below this video. So my name is Lucas and I will see you in part 11, which will explain how to clad stringer. See you there.